Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft Java Edition on to your macOS. So I'm using the macOS Mojave version right now, but it should work for any version closer to this, whether that's behind previous or um, yeah, or forward. So the first step of doing this is installing Java. So we can just look up Java download. And so know that this does work for Linux and Windows because it does. You just got to pick your operating system. So you can just go ahead and start the free download. Alright. Alright. Alright guys, so the second step of downloading Minecraft is going to T-Launcher. So T-Launcher is, according to here, the best Minecraft launcher. So I'm going to be using this in my video, and you're going to just want to download it, and like I said, it's available for Windows, Mac, or Apple, and Linux. So I'm using a Mac right now, so I'm going to be using the Apple. Alright, so once you've got that downloaded, you can just open that up in your folder. Also, what's important is this is never an actual, and it's never an actual application. It's not an app. You have to open this folder every time you want to open up Minecraft. So you're going to want to open up the jar file. Now, if you get rejected, as you very well might, you have to go to your settings and to go to security and privacy. Open it. Open anyway. Alright, so again, you just gotta type in your password to let the computer install this because it's from the internet. So you'll be guided to this page. You can type in your username here, and I've also noticed whatever tag you name yourself here, you'll get the like a skin matching what you call yourself basically. So I'm calling myself Mandalorian. I'm gonna enter the game. Alright, so you can just let it do its thing. As I said before, it might take a while to boot up the first time. I would never have thought to install Java Edition Minecraft on my macOS. This is really, really great. So and so, sure enough, I am in the game. So, alright, just a quick overview. To get to Minecraft, you're going to quickly just open up your Finder. It's not in Applications, as I said. It's not an app, actually. You have to go to Downloads, open up your T-Launcher file, open up the jar file, and now since you've granted it access, you will be able to enter the game now. So, and then now you can just enter the game. Alright, so it's just booting up. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Drop a like if this video helped you, and we'll see you next time.